Hello everyone. In this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will understand how the from conditions in the extrude boss space function. So let's start. File, new, part, and this one. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting the background plain white and the unit system is the millimeter gram second. In this exercise, we will understand in this extrude boss space from condition work. First, I make a sketch. This plane, show, sketch, this one. I am drawing a center rectangle, this one. This, I am selecting this line equal, and I am future extrude boss space. You will see from condition extrusion. In extrude boss space, there are the four conditions. From condition, that is the starting condition. The sketch plane, surface face plane, vertex, and offset. I will discuss all the four conditions. Okay. First, I am taking sketch plane. The sketch plane is that plane on which I have drawn the sketch. Now you will see the extrusion is taking place. So blind condition. There are also different conditions. This is the end conditions. They are the different end condition. End condition I will discuss in the later exercises. Okay. So, blind condition, I am taking this dimension, for example, 10 mm. Okay. So it means extrusion is taking place from this sketch plane. This is the sketch plane. I am okay. This one. And this dimension, this is extrusion in 20 mm from sketch plane. Okay. Now another condition I discuss. Suppose I delete this boss extrude. This I am deleting this one. Okay. Now I am using same sketch. This extrude boss base. Now I am discussing second last condition, offset. First, later on I will take this offset. This is offset. Offset means this offset is from the sketch plane. Offset from the sketch plane. So I give suppose 20 mm. This one. It means extrusion is taking place at a distance of 20 of height of 10. Extrusion length is 10 mm. This one. This thing. If you measure the dimensions, evaluate, measure this plane and this plane. This is 20 mm. You will see normal distance 20 mm. Okay, and this length is equal to, if you measure this height, extrusion is 10. Extrusion is, if I this one and this is the 10 mm delta. This is 10 mm height. So in this way, offset we take this thing. Now I delete this thing. This one. Now I am taking another plane, future, and this is the plane offset, and I am taking it this plane, top plane at a height of 40 mm. This one. This is the 40 mm dimensions. I am taking this one. Okay. Now third, we will discuss this sketch plane, and from the, suppose this extrusion is future extrude base 10 mm extrusion, first plane, and this plane sketch, this one I am drawing another sketch, this one. Suppose this is 20 mm and this is 20 mm. Okay, I am taking this one. This one. So in the second condition, if I using this one, extrude boss space. Third condition, I am taking surface face plane. Surface face plane. Suppose I take this plane, this one. This as a works as a from condition. I am selecting this face, this one, surface face plane, and selecting this face. It means extrusion is starting from this one. I have drawn the sketch on this plane, but extrusion is taking from this direction. You want to reverse direction, this one. Extrusion height is 10 mm and direction is this one, in this way. And here, surface face plane, I have drawn the sketch on this plane, but extrusion is taking place from this selected face. Okay, this one, this one. So I am at this and deleting it. Suppose I am selecting this face and extrude boss face. Select this and this one. Extrusion, I am taking sketch plane. From this plane, I am drawing at a distance of 10 mm. Okay, height of this one. Now, last condition I will discuss here. Suppose I draw a sketch on this one, or this surface, plane 2, plane 1, this plane, or this surface. Suppose I select this face and sketch, and this one, this one. This is the dia of this is 20 mm, suppose. This one. Okay, this I have drawn a sketch on this plane. But last condition, I am doing extrude boss face. Extrude base sketch plane. Last condition is vertex. And extrusion will start from the vertex. Suppose which vertex? This is the suppose I select the vertex. The corner points are the vertex. I am selecting this vertex. It means extrusion is taking, I have drawn the sketch on this face, but the extrusion is taking place on this, starting from this one, vertex. Okay, these are the vertexes. So this extrusion is taking place from this vertex point. This one. You will see from this. So I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.